Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dragon. Thanks for watching my channel, Eat and Shop with Dragon Nguyen. Today, hello, Sophia. Today, I'm taking you guys to this restaurant called Tapp22. It's located in Moline, Illinois. Here it's about 10-15 minute drive from where I live in Davenport, Iowa. But they're known for their tin. What are they known for? The tin can nachos. It's like kind of a bar slash restaurant. It's pretty good. But I'll show you around. I heard it. I heard advertising. Two of my friends. It's like awesome. It's got arcade slot machine here. I guess in Illinois, the law is different. You can actually gamble outside of the casino here, so there are some slots that you can, play here and gamble here, but I'll show you guys around, and then of course my food too, so we'll see. So there you go, this place got TVs like all over the place. Restaurant slash bar, that's my favorite team, Kansas City Chiefs. The bar section here. Any kind of drink, liquor, got it. There you go. I like the TV here. I love all the TV actions around here. They've got WWF, NFL, basketball channels. Now the other side is the arcade and slot machine. I'll show you guys a little bit. All right, this is the tin can nachos here. Look at that! Wow. Our great waitress here. Awesome.
Well, I'll give you guys a couple minutes to enjoy. I have plates and napkins right here for you, okay?
Wow, look at that. It's called a tin can nachos. It cost me $12 for this bad boy. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it. Nachos, peppers, onions, tomatoes, peppers. Did I say pepper? There's ground meat, there's bacon on here. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, this is the tin can nacho at $12, people. Check this out. Look at that. Yeah. Check this nacho out, guys. They've got beef nachos here. Looks like that's pork, maybe bacon. They've got onion.
How are they?
Tastes great.
They're good. We'll give you a couple more minutes.
Wow. Tastes really good. They've got queso cheese with the pour right on top of here.
I used to do that.
Yeah, this is.
Delicious, right? You want to order anything else? I'll take this one out.
I know. You guys gotta check it out. hang tight, I'll show you more of this Tapp22, yeah. Alright, part of the Tapp22 here in Illinois recently passed a law that you can actually gamble in outside of the casino. So there's like gambling, the slots areas all over here, all over in Illinois. So at Tapp22, like I said again, they have slot machine that you actually can play here. So right in Tapp22, you can actually eat and do play slots, and you put your money in here and hit whatever you want, bet whatever bet you like. So here's the slot machine. They've got plenty of this. Golden Goddess. I'll say here's a leprechaun one here. Illinois multi-game real rainbow. You can eat your food and gamble at the same time, or play slots here at the same time. So it's a pretty busy place. It's about noon in the afternoon. Great burgers, nachos, drinks here. They've got a lot of TVs here, so sports fans. Great place to hang out so far. I enjoy good staff. So kudos for this place. Look at one of our new order right here, guys. Wow, what kind of pizza is this? This is the chicken. Oh, even Sophia likes it. Wow, check that out and see.
Check it out. Check it out. Yeah, put it on the plate right here.
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that.
Thank you.
Pizza looks great. Look, pizza looks great, doesn't it?
How do you do it?
It's got chicken, bacon on top, there's onions, and of course, everybody's favorite cheese.
I do it. I got it.
I couldn't finish this nachos. It's so good. There's the
I got it. Pepperoni, you don't have pepperoni?
pizza that we did for her.
Yummy. Yummy. Together. Sure. Hot. Yeah, yummy.
Mommy,
Daddy, I'm going to do
Daddy, I want that.
Along with the great food, good service, good TVs, good ESPN channels are like all over the place here, so that's one so far is a great recommendation for everyone that want to come here.
Who's going to finish pizza?
Beer, liquor, sports days. Tastes good? Let me try this and tell you guys.
Yeah, good. Wow.
Very good. Crunchy. Like cheese hits you.
Take a side.
I think it has barbecue in it.
Yeah.
No, this one is barbecue, so great place. You guys gotta check it out. It's called Tapp22, so okay? Looks like this.
Like that?
Tapp22.